Alright, so for the 3 people that are probably actually going to watch this video, this is the last piece to the crystal that I have. So we're going to get her open, get this crystal together, and then I'm going to go ahead and show you the whole set. So let's check her out. Alright, so here's the set together, and if you're not at least 40 years old, you probably have no clue what this is. Because these are basically all puppets or people in costumes. Like you see how his knees are tucked up in there? That's because that was like a guy inside of a suit and he'd just kind of crouch down. This is like a dude bent over, like holding stilts with his arms. And then there was also somebody in this crab creature. And on this crab, like, thank God that Toys R Us finally got one, because I wasn't able to make it to New York Comic-Con. So for once I was on the other end of the stick, because I make it to San Diego every year. But now that they have their own exclusives, thank God for Toys R Us. But here's the set. I don't even think I need to really go over any of them, because I've already shown half of them. I just kind of wanted to show you the set together. I mean, they're a cool little set of toys. They're not a whole lot of love on them, like 5 points of articulation. The paint's pretty clean, nothing great. The crystal's really cool. That little shard in his hand plugs in the top of that crystal. That's how it explodes at the end of the movie. Like I said, you probably don't have a clue who these are, but I really enjoy this set. Thanks for watching.